Welcome to Woggle Guides. In this guide, I'll show you where saved passwords are on Android. Let's get straight into it. If you've saved passwords to your Google account, Android makes them easy to find. The easiest way is through the Google Password Manager. To find this, I'll start by opening the Settings app, shown on screen. If you can't see the Settings app on your phone, you can easily find it by searching for Settings in the Google search bar, and when the Settings app is shown, you can tap on it once to open it. Now, to make life easy, I'm going to find the Password Manager just by searching for it in the box at the top. If I tap into that, and I'll quickly type password, you'll see a number of options are then shown, but the one we're interested in is Password Manager. Let's tap on that once to select it. You should now see a list of all your saved passwords. Each entry represents a website or an app where a password has been saved. If you'd like to view one of your saved passwords, tap any entry on the list. Android will probably ask you to verify your identity, whether that's with a password or with your fingerprint. If that request is made, then complete the authentication process, and the saved password will then be displayed on screen. And that's all there is to it. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Woggle Guides for free to see more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and do look after yourself until next time.